good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I am cooking the Japanese style garlicky miso flavored oyster hot pot. It's called miso牡蠣鍋. Okay, so right now I am heating the stainless cooking pan, a frying pan, with the olive oil, extra virgin organically certified olive oil. Okay, and then it's kind of bizarre one, and then yeah. So I go ahead, put some here. Darn it. Excuse me. So organically certified garlic and ginger grated, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna put this one, and I go ahead put it inside. Okay. Ooh. So I have shucked roughly 2 pounds of oysters. Okay. Raw oysters. I shucked this, right? Took me a few hours, but it's worth about 950 grams. So that's about 2 pounds. All right, but beforehand, let me put some. I'm gonna stir fry this garlic and ginger real quick, okay? Yeah, because you want to have some flavor, right? Yeah, flavor. And you don't want. You can dark this stuff up, but it's up to you. Yeah. If you want a mild one, you don't need to brown this. You just, yeah. Okay, so. It's good. Maybe I can swirl this, huh? Put some round. Yeah. See that? Ooh, right? So. And then, I'm gonna put the organic veggies. Right, so I have 3 pounds. I have some kind of leftover, but 3 pounds of fried tofu, right, and some certified organic mushrooms, bean sprouts. What was that? Enoki mushrooms, of course, it's certified, and it's certified organic. Celery leaves and stems underneath. Okay, so I just go ahead and put this one. Right. You probably want to put the veggies underneath. And maybe slightly high heat, it's okay. Yeah. All right. Like this. You just watch. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it's all good. Right? Because you want these veggies to have some oyster flavor underneath, right? So, bam! Woo! Look at that! I love this sound. What do you say? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. I just maybe inch by inch. Yeah. Maybe 1 inch times 1¼ inch. Yeah. You don't want tiny pieces, You're the mad dog, so you better eat some bigger one. Bigger's the better one, yeah? Okay. And then, meanwhile, I go ahead and put some certified organic cooking sake, which is kind of hard to find because most sake, rice-based alcohol that you find in Japan is not really organic one. So this is rare. I love that. Yeah. And certified organic habanero sauce, yeah. All right, so because I'm gonna make spiciest. Wow, darn! I use them all. That's all right. I'll buy a new one. Right, the better is better because even some condiments, or the dipping sauce, you want to get the cleanest one. Here's the soy sauce, right? Certified organic soy sauce with Japanese soybeans from Hokkaido. Yeah. Okay. And the miso paste is on the way. So again, this is very good one made by Yamaki. Okay. And so I guess the Amway Corporation's the commission Yamaki, right? Yeah, this is Yamaki, right? Some parts is Saitama. So those of you having chance, go for it, right? Visit there, eat some miso paste, with the freshest veggies. You can use this one as a dipping, you can dip celeries or carrots into it and eat them. All right, so I shouldn't talk too much, but I'm sure I'm doing comical why. So, miso paste. There. You know what? Just tons because I gonna, put tons of oysters. So you probably want to put, many miso paste as much as you want. If this is not enough for you, that's okay. You can put some more, right? And don't worry, this paste is gonna be dissolved like a cream much later, and you don't need to add some water because these veggies are organic. At the same time, you have so many benefits, phytonutrients or other goodies, right? And you can get the liquid or water from itself. Yeah, and if you want to burn some miso, go for it as well. Yeah. If I'm not doing the correct way, but it doesn't matter because it should be good, right? Yeah. You can burn some soy sauce too, right? Or sake or whatever. And then if you want to stir, it's fine because it's just great. Yeah. Because sometimes you can burn some soy sauce or miso paste, right? And then you can get some kind of a flavor, right? Yeah. If you don't want to do it, that's fine too. Both of them are bloody good. Okay. And finally, oysters. 2 pounds. Yeah. Just put it this way. And then add some sake for sure. Right, organic. Yeah. That's it. So I'm gonna set a time, maybe like 45 minutes. Yeah, this is bloody simple. So I'm gonna close the lid, and so see you in 45 minutes, maybe less than that. Yeah. So anybody can make it. And those of you who cannot eat oysters, you can use meat or just veggies. That's fine too. So, see ya. Wow, look at that. It's done, baby. Yeah. Wow. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that, right? See the miso flavor, you can smell it, right? Yeah, see my app has a the fragrance app. Yeah, just joking. Yeah, right. Eventually somebody will gonna do that. So, yeah. Let me taste this. Good. Ready to serve. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Look what we have here. Yeah. No. 2 pounds of oysters. Yeah. Who's gonna reject that? Nobody, right? Yeah. All right. All right. I know some of the veggies are hiding underneath, but it's okay. I'm gonna recover the veggies much later after the show. So, there we have it. Now, the moment of truth, okay? So I'm gonna eat them right now. And you know what? Just gonna eat this anyway. Bigger is better. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the oyster hot pot, spicy miso flavor. Yeah. Beautiful. Nothing to complain. Yeah. Nah, I'm not gonna bother eating tofu for now. You know what? Some organic greens and oysters combined. This is really, really sweet. Better than ever before. So far, I think. No, do not underestimate using the celery leaves. It's quite good. Yeah. Highly recommended. Mushrooms? See, I only use the world's finest ingredients. That no wonder it tastes so good, and it has more nutritious values. So, like I say, I do apologize eating in front of you like this because this is the chef's privilege. So, you take care, stay strong, and try this at home. Okay, bye.